after the barbecue.
Oh, look at Charm's dance moves. Nice. This is going on YouTube.
Oh, cute. Thank you.
Our vlog number 2.
Everybody knows I'm cute.
4th of July.
Outfit of the day, romper.
Outfit of the day is my romper.
Hi.
No one here yet.
Hanoi Pride, and I sewed it.
Not really. I'm not really proud. I just wanted to wear a t-shirt because it's the only one I had that was loose. So, basically, that's why I'm wearing this t-shirt. Basically. How do I
Go around everybody. Oh, this one? Okay, when you wait, you press, you double.
Barbecue. There's the barbecue, there's the poach.
Oh,
There's Adria, Everett, Abigail.
Well, that's what Adria said.
Okay, I'm done.
But they won't
So you're gonna
Find
ask
it,
goodbye.
but you deleted it. We're gonna wait for other people.
Said ask goodbye.
You're welcome. That's all.
Oh, it's dark.
Oh, that is such a cute picture of Jaden.
Oh my gosh, we should put it on video.
Here, babe.
It's funny.
Nice. We're eating cherries because it's 4th of July, so you need something red. Here, baby. It's a minute.
This is my teeth though.
We have to wait for a minute and 2 minutes 30 seconds. No. Hi.
Hi there.
When are they coming?
What's going on?
This is a pop video.
A what?
Paparazzi video. It's like half of your face.
Wait,
Also
what should I
pretend
put
like
for
I'm-
this picture? Like 4th of July.
No, that's weird. What
I'm
is
not
Abby
coming.
doing?
Jerry and them
Ask you questions. So, what are you excited about for today?
The fireworks and the colors and the lights, basically.
Could you tell us the date today?
Today is July 4th, 2012, and the day is Wednesday.
Wednesday, yes, it's Wednesday. And what are your plans for tomorrow? Tomorrow.
Tomorrow I'm going to go camping, and then
Have you packed?
I have not, but it takes literally 1 second to pack, to do so. And so I will pack when I get home, maybe around 1 a.m. I wonder if you can see my eyes, can you?
I can't.
That's kind of
It's
weird.
dark. It's like really dark. Actually, I can. Nah.
They white.
That's Tito Ed making our barbecue because it's 4th of July. Bye bye.